Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Japan. This is Daisho mild Tonkotsu Ramen. Where did I find that? I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember. But all I know is that I hadn't seen it before. I mean, I've seen the brand before, but I've never seen that particular variety. So, that's cool. So, what you'll get? You get 2 servings of noodles and a seasoning. 2 seasonings, rather. Here we go. You'll drop these into the water for 2 minutes. The water that boils, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. 2. There we go. Now, we're going to give it a little bit of a stir. Stir it up. Come on, get in there. Get in there. We don't have all the time in the freaking world. Don't mess around. We're going to lower that heat because that stuff will suck up that liquid as fast as you can say things. Now we got number 256. That is a binary digit. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. 5, 12, 10, 24, 20, 48, 40, 96, 81, 92, 16, 384, 32, 768, 65,536. And there's 128, 256. Speaking of 256, food depends on balance. The essence of cooking lies in mastering the subtle degrees of balance required to make a fine dish. It's nice out today. This morning it was freaking cold. That really bummed me out because I was like, it's too long. It's just been so cold. It's not that it's been so cold, but there's just been this breeze that's just brutal when you want to go out and do some walking. It's just way too freaking cold. Not good. I need to get back to my doings and suchins. And now it's time to add in our seasoning sachet. Today, as I said previously, in the prior way, mild tonkatsu. Hope you're ready. Yeah, mild. I hope you're ready. This is gonna be mild. So, I had Stumpy on, I guess that was yesterday, at least for me. For you, it was probably like 4 days ago. But anyway, old Stumpy from North Little Rock is playing Diablo 2. We've been yammering about it. He also plays Diablo 3, which I'm not into. So they're video games. I haven't played a video game like that in so long. I just don't have time. I've got children. I know there's dudes out there that have children that take the time to play video games, but there's way more stuff that I gotta do than that. Maybe when the kids get interested in video games, they're like, back in my day, we used to run around and hack and slash and find things and pick them up. All right, we're going that good. I don't know what else I would do to it. It's a pizza? definitely going overtime with this. Longer than I wanted to go. All right, well, there we have that. That's that Daisho mild tonkotsu. The next one you're gonna see is also gonna have a mukbang with it, I think. I'm not 100% on that yet. That one will be this Colson Noodle Doodle Fiery Chapata. Check that out. Fiery Chapata, and this is from Pakistan. Yeah. So I will see you tomorrow. Same bad time, same bad channel, one would hope. And yeah. Be good to your family. Bye-bye.